how to display a list of files from folder or directory in ASP.NET MVC. So let's start. Here you will notice that there is a folder named files. Now let's move to the file model. Here I'll be adding one single property, file name. Now let's move to the controller. Now I'll add a namespace system.io. Now here inside the action result method, I'm creating a string array. I'm making use of get files function. I'm making use of server.mappath function. Now I'm creating generic list collection of file model class object. This particular for each loop will be executed over the file path array, and inside this for each loop, the file path will be converted to file name and it will be set in the file name property of the file model class object. And then the file model class object will be added to the generic list collection of the file model class. Finally, I'm returning the generic list collection of file model class object to the view. Now let's move to the view. Now I'm declaring the list collection of the file model class as the model for the view. So now I'll be creating an HTML table. So as you can see, header element is file name. So this particular column will display the name of the file. I am making use of a for each loop, and this particular loop will be executed over the generic list collection of the file model class. Now inside the for each loop, I am creating an HTML table row will display the name of the file. Now it's time to run our project and see it in action. So as you can see, the names of the file are being displayed. That's it.